The world is broken. Many, many years ago, men who were born with great power believed they could cage darkness itself. Arrogance. When they failed, the seas boiled, mountains were swallowed up, cities burned, and the women of the Aes Sedai were left to pick up the pieces. These women remembered one thing above all else: the man who brought the breaking of the world. And him they named Dragon. Now this man has been born again. We don't know where or to whom, if he was reborn as a girl or a boy. The only thing we know for certain is that this child is coming of age now, and we must find them before the dark does.
I said stop!
We can't die like this. You can fight them. Use it. It's not his fault.
Who are you talking about? There's no one else here. The madness already has him. This power, it's meant for women.
Please. No.
And when you touch it, you make it filthy.
Please. No!
과거 세상을 파멸시켰던 드래건이 다시 환생하자
It's not him.
Almost to the day of the prophecy of the dragon reborn predicted. He's able to touch the source.
It's not him.
Where next?
The Two Rivers. There are rumors of Fort Tavir in there. All the right age. Let's hope it's prepared them for what's coming.
여성 마법사 집단 아이즈 세다이의 모레이는 그를 찾아내기 위해 길을 나섭니다. 강과 숲으로 둘러싸인 평화로운 마을 투 리버스.
Right, gentlemen and lady. You don't have anything left to bet. Come on, sit down.
One game. Three of us. Old time's sake,
Come
eh?
on, we're talking.
About what?
A few folks went down to Taran Ferry with the wall last week. Town was full of soldiers and mercenaries headed south. They said there's a war in Gaelden.
It was Callie Copland told you that, wasn't it?
So,
She'd piss in your mouth and tell you it was raining. Not for you guys. Daniel?
how much money did he lose today?
I lost count, but it was more than enough.
그날 밤 평화로운 시간을 보내고 있는 마을 사람들.
Name yourself, stranger.
Lanmon Dragorin. This is Moraine.
그때 모레인과 그녀의 호위무사 렌이 마을에 도착합니다.
Can I help you? We'll need stables for our horses and a room for the night. 2 beds and fresh linen, that's all we need. Of course, Moraine Sedai.
모레인은 누가 환생한 드래건인지 눈여겨보지만
If you'll come this way.
She looks like a normal person.
Who knows what she can hear? Maybe she's headed to the war in the south. In the stories, they say, one Aes Sedai can turn the battle on her own.
I don't care where she's going to, but we'll all be happier and safer when she's there.
경계하는 마을 사람들은 그녀가 빨리 떠나기만을 바랄 뿐이었습니다.
1,000 wars have washed over the lands down mountain, and Two Rivers folk don't have any more need to pay attention now than before. War is just fools killing other fools for foolish causes.
Aes Sedai don't fight wars. They pull the strings of the world from the White Tower.
You think it's one of them? Which one?
Nynaeve. She asked me to become her apprentice.
What? No,
She asked. I didn't say yes or no.
really?
She thinks I'll be able to listen to the wind if I work with her.
It's a lonely life. Being in wisdom. No husband. No kids.
같은 시각 마을을 정찰하는 수상한 자가 포착됩니다.
No sweet sticks for you.
다음 날 마을에는 떠돌이 상인이 나타납니다.
Matt Cawthon, my best and poorest customer.
So, what do you have for me this year?
That's it. It's worth 3 marks at least.
I'll give you 1 mark.
2.
Half a mark. That'll get you 3 lanterns and you'll be lucky to have them.
You're a right bastard, Paddington.
Pleasure as always.
메시 상인과 거래를 하는 사이 모레이는 본격적으로 마을을 살펴보기 시작합니다.
You didn't sleep last night. Then we both have work to do today. They call you a leader in this town, Wisdom, and here you are cleaning.
This pool is sacred. It's an honor to clean it.
You're not from here, are you? The old Wisdom brought you here when you were a baby.
That old wisdom. The woman who raised me. When she was only 13, she realized she could listen to the wind. And she went to the White Tower. And when she got there, your sisters took one look at her ragged clothes, her peasant accent, and they turned her away. She was small and from a little town, but she remembered. Until the day she died. So do I.
I think you're strong. Even if you have only had that braid for...
I've had it for 5.
So that makes you 25.
And whatever you may think, that is to protect this town. From you, if I have to. Enjoy your walk.
한편 주변 숲을 수색하던 렌은 불길한 징후를 목격합니다.
Matt, we noticed your luck wasn't really with you. To buy some lanterns for the girls.
Thank you.
All right, I should get home. Maybe we should be at Beltane to light a candle for her.
The whole point is to help guide her spirit back to us.
How long does it take before the Wheel of Time turns someone's spirit back into the world again?
Wish I knew. But I'm sure there's a reason no one can remember their previous lives. And take comfort from it. That no matter what happens, what pain we face, even death, the wheel keeps turning. Always. Let me try again?
Come on now! If we want our loved ones' souls to make their way back here, we'd best show them something worth coming back for.
그날 밤 마을에서는 축제가 열립니다. 음악에 맞춰 춤을 추며 축제를 즐기는 마을 사람들. 하지만 즐거운 음악이 흐르던 마을은 순식간에 지옥으로 변합니다.
Tom, what's wrong?
반인반수의 잔혹한 괴물 트롤록이 마을을 습격한 것입니다.
What's happening?
트롤록들은 가차없이 주민들을 학살하기 시작하고
Mum, Dad, where are the girls?
They were right here, right?
Where are the girls?
아수라장 속에서 맷은 어린 동생들을 구하기 위해 필사적으로 달려갑니다. 한편 나이니브와 에고웨이는 부상당한 노인을 치료하고 있었고
Stopped. Stopped.
마을에는 그 어떤 희망도 보이지 않았습니다. 같은 시각 집을 습격당한 랜드는 아버지를 구하기 위해 트롤록과 맞서 싸우고
Dad, are you all right?
I'm fine.
It's a Trolloc. You need to get out of here.
숨어있던 나이니브와 에고웨이는 트롤록에게 발각됩니다. 트롤록에게 맞서 저항해보지만 위험에 처해진 바로 그때 모레인이 전면에 나서 위기에서 구해줍니다. 모레인은 강력한 마법 일원력을 자아내며 트롤록을 쓸어버립니다. 렌 역시 신들린 검술로 모레인의 곁을 지키며 트롤록들을 베어버립니다. 그 시각 페리는 대장간에서 아내와 함께 사투를 벌이고
Hey, it's alright. I've got you. I've got you. I've got you.
맷은 무사히 동생들을 구하는데 성공합니다. 그렇게 모레인이 상황을 정리하던 그때 나인이브가 트롤록에게 붙잡혀 어디론가 납치당하고 맙니다. 설상가상으로 대장간에서는 치명적인 비극이 일어납니다. 페리는 자신의 실수로 아내의 목숨을 끊고 맙니다. 같은 시각 끝도 없이 밀려오는 트롤록 군단 탓에 모레인은 부상을 입게 됩니다.
There's too many.
괴물들의 숫자가 좀처럼 줄어들지 않자
Light, give me strength.
모레인은 자신의 모든 힘을 쥐어 짜내기 시작합니다. 결국 트롤록은 물리쳤지만 마을은 가까스로 목숨만 건진 참담한 상태가 됩니다.
My dad.
Mom, my baby girls. Right. Oh, thank the light.
Perrin!
It's Trolloc poison.
모레인의 도움으로 랜드의 아버지는 목숨을 건지지만 랜드는 모레인을 몰아세웁니다.
You show up, then these things the next day.
They're here for the same reason as I am. For you. 20 years ago, there was a woman at the White Tower. An Aes Sedai born with eyes so white she couldn't see anything. Glimpses of the turning of the wheel. The Dark One is waking. But there will be one who can stand against him. The dragon has been born again. And it's one of you.
You fully lost your mind.
What are those?
The Dark One's army. More Trollocs.
How did they get here so fast?
Get the horses.
But you can't leave.
You're coming with me. The four of you. You've lived too long in these mountains, pretending that what happens in the rest of the world won't affect you.
We can't just leave.
They're after you. And if you stay here, this is where they'll come.
이곳에 계속 남아있으면 마을 사람 전체가 전멸할 것이라는 경고와 함께
Our only chance is to reach the White Tower and the other sisters of the Aes Sedai.
자신을 따라 떠나야 마을이 안전해진다고 설득합니다.
Legend fades to myth, and even myth is long forgotten when the age that gave it birth comes again.
결국 이들은 모레인의 말을 믿고 마을을 떠나기로 결심합니다.
The wind was not the beginning. There are neither beginnings nor endings to the turning of the wheel of time.
From the Lord, Captain, for your victory today. May you always walk in the light, sir.
한편 또 다른 세력인 하얀 망토의 수장 에이먼 발다.
There's a brutality to the dish. Its bones and beak and feet cut the inside of your mouth.
그는 이런 역을 쓰는 아이즈 세다이 자매들을 마녀라 생각하며
An Aes Sedai should know above all others that sometimes brutality is the only path to mercy.
산채로 불태워 죽이는 잔혹한 면모를 드러내며 항상 그들을 죽일 기회를 노립니다. 그 시각 마을을 벗어났지만 계속해서 달리는 모레인 일행.
How much time?
Not enough.
Then we need to move faster.
그들의 뒤를 트롤록 군단이 끈질기게 추격해옵니다. 깊은 물을 두려워하는 트롤록의 약점을 이용해 이들은 강을 건너기로 합니다.
Town's just up there. Would it not be a good idea to head inside some walls?
Walls won't stop Trollocs. The only thing they fear is deep water.
I wonder they smell like piss. Oh.
Well, you've woken me then. My son will be here soon, and then we can...
Twice that when we're safely on the other side. Have I not made myself clear?
You're not the type of woman that hears no often.
I am not.
그때 트롤록 군단 역시 턱 밑까지 쫓아와 대치하게 됩니다. 틈 사이로 서서히 다가오는 누군가.
What are they?
Servants of the dark. The riders of Fade. A Fade can force a Trolloc to do most things, but they won't cross that river. Come. We'll take you safely to the next town.
What? No, no! My family!
There's no going back now, Master.
My son is on his way already. He'll be there in a moment. You have to help me. We can't leave him.
If you go back, you'll give them a way to follow us. I can't allow it.
추격을 끊어내기 위해 모레인은 이런 역의 힘으로 나룻배를 가라앉히기 시작합니다.
No! No! It's the only way to get my son across! The white cloaks are right. You Aes Sedai, you monster!
하지만 이 과정에서 완고한 뱃사공이 함께 강물에 휩쓸려 버립니다.
We need to help him.
He's gone.
This will slow them, not stop them. We can lose them before they reach another crossing, but we need to move fast.
그렇게 트롤록 군단을 따돌리는데 성공한 이들.
We've lost them.
Come, we'll find a place to rest while we can. Be careful, everyone. There are things more dangerous than Trollocs in this world.
이들은 겨우 한숨 돌리며 휴식을 취합니다.
They need their strength.
So do you.
Just imagine if Nynaeve was here. She'd spend every waking moment disagreeing with the Aes Sedai.
I saw it. One of those things just picked her up and tossed her away like she was nothing.
We need a plan. Your sword will raid it to the Ferryman. What happens to us if we step out of line?
What happens if she's right?
If one of us is the dragon reborn.
Moiraine said the Trollocs came for us. And when we left, they did follow us.
They say the last dragon broke the world, but the next one will save it.
Well, I heard the dragon's gonna have wings. Looking around at you lot, I don't see a feather.
Forget what you've heard about the dragon. For she or he will be all of those things, and none of them.
그날 밤 모레인은 따로 에그웨인을 불러냅니다.
Are you going to kill us like you did that ferryman?
What do you know of the three oaths?
To not kill, to not lie.
Exact verbiage. Words are important, and how we use them is important.
I don't know.
1, to speak no word that is not true. 2, to make no weapon with which one person may kill another. 3, never to use the One Power as a weapon, except in the last extreme defense of her life, or the life of her warder, or another Aes Sedai. I did not kill that ferryman. He wasted his own life on a foolish cause.
He was just trying to get to his family.
If I had allowed him to take his ferry and cross the river, what would have happened? The power inside you is the smallest part of your strength. It's your mind and how you use it that will mean much more in the battles to come.
The power inside me.
What do you call it? This skill that wisdoms have to predict the weather.
I listen to the wind.
One thing. One power. And women like you and I, we're lucky enough to be able to touch it.
I'm no Aes Sedai.
But you could be. Touching the source will come to you whether you want it to or not. Look at its surface. Imagine yourself floating in that river. As the water moves, let it take you. Clear your mind of everything. Drift.
I thought I felt something, but...
Those first 2, those were mine. That last, that was yours. And yours alone. You don't listen to the wind, Egwene. It's the wind that listens to you.
모레인 덕분에 자신의 힘을 느낄 수 있던 에그웨인. 한편 잠에서 깨어난 랜드는 입에서 박쥐 사체를 꺼내는 끔찍한 악몽을 꿉니다. 놀란 랜드가 곧바로 친구들에게 향하지만
No. How did...
You saw them too.
But it was a dream.
하지만 그들 모두는 어둠의 군주가 등장하는 똑같은 악몽에 시달리고 있었습니다.
Did you put this in our dreams?
Who saw this? Who? All of you? What did you see?
Bats. Their necks just snapped right in midair.
Was there anyone in your dream? Did anyone speak to you?
There was a man. Eyes like embers. He didn't say anything, though.
If this happens again, you tell me straight away. Dreams have power.
What does that mean?
Come. The horse is arrested.
No, 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 no!
불안과 공포가 극에 달해 결국 폭발한 랜드.
Where are we going?
And then to the White Tower. I've told you this.
And then what? There's a place for Egwene, maybe. But what does a man do at the White Tower? Other than become an errand boy for the Aes Sedai?
Go where you will then.
모레인을 거칠게 몰아세우지만
I've run out of patience. And time.
그녀는 눈 하나 깜빡하지 않고 냉정함을 유지합니다.
Well, you got a reaction out of her?
Suit yourself.
One conversation and you're on her side now. Come on, do you really think she's any better than what's chasing us?
Of course I do! Those monsters killed Nynaeve and Layla and half the people we've ever loved. Moiraine has done nothing but protect us, tried to keep us safe. Don't you see how pale she's getting, how weak? She's using the One Power to keep our strength up at the cost of her own. And she does it. Even with you being the stubborn bastard you are. If I were her, I'd leave you behind too.
You already did.
Don't be an ass. She's not doing any of this for our benefit. She's got a reason she's keeping us all alive, and as soon as that reason's gone, we're as good as dead. So let's try it and stay on the good side. Come on.
랜드는 결국 친구들의 설득에 모레인을 계속 따르기로 합니다. 하지만 얼마 지나지 않아 일행은 또다시 위기를 맞이합니다.
Do not speak unless spoken to, and try to answer any question as truthfully as you can. Do not mention the White Tower or Aes Sedai.
하얀 망토 세력과 정면으로 마주하게 됩니다.
If you would be so kind as to dismount your horses. It's a dangerous time to be on the road. War in the south, the Aes Sedai heading in force from the White Tower.
Wars and witches don't concern us, sir. We are just hoping to find a safe place to settle for the night.
I'm sorry. If you would indulge here a moment longer, we have one of the questioners with us today. He will be thorough, but brief.
Where did you say you were from?
I didn't. But I'm from the borderlands.
Search the horses. They say the White Tower dispatched 8 sisters to deal with Loghain's army to the south. They can't help but get their fingers in others' business.
Sorry, sir. I'd have a wound. Not healing well.
What happened to you?
It was a monster, sir. 8 feet tall with a mouth like a boar. A group of them overtook the village we were in.
This was in the borderlands?
No, sir. No, west of here, near the Mountains of Mist.
Can I see your wound map? Trollocs this far south. The Dark One's eye is truly upon us. What was the name of the town where you came from?
Tarren Ferry. There were many people hurt there.
We children try to steer clear of the Aes Sedai where we can. When you get to Whitebridge, find one. Only one of those women can heal this wound.
Light be with you.
The light is always with you. It needs no instruction. I will not forget your faces should we meet again. I will take a contingent of questioners south.
The woman said the Trollocs went west.
You are meant for battle. We questioners have a higher purpose.
모렌의 연기력 덕분에 일행은 가까스로 의심을 피하고 위기에서 벗어납니다.
You said you couldn't break the 3 oaths. That white cloak, you lied to him. You can heal that wound.
We can only heal others. Not ourselves. It's why we usually travel together.
And you have a sister in Whitebridge?
All Aes Sedai are my sisters.
화이트 타워를 향해 한참을 달리던 일행들.
We can rest here the night. I haven't seen sign of Trollocs for days.
Perhaps it's how close we're skirting Shadow Lagoth.
다시 휴식을 취하게 되는데
It is too dangerous in the Shadowed City. We cannot go there.
That white cloak. I think he's the one who killed the others.
Did you not see my sister's rings? 7 now.
Rest. And tomorrow, we'll figure out where to find a sister who can heal you.
이때 물을 기르던 페리는 자신의 상처를 확인합니다. 자신을 주시하는 늑대 무리와 마주하며 긴장감에 휩싸입니다. 하지만 늑대는 페린의 상처를 핥아주고 그대로 사라져버립니다. 그날 밤 전투에서 입은 부상이 악화되어 점점 쇠약해지는 모레인.
Is she going to be all right?
She needs sleep.
We have to move! Up! Up! Wake up! Hurry, they found us!
설상가상으로 트롤록 무리가 턱밑까지 따라잡자 렌은 결단을 내립니다.
We need to get out of here! Right! Where? East, to the fallen city of Shadow Lagoth. Go!
금기의 고대 도시 샤다르 로고스로 들어가 몸을 숨기기로 한 것입니다. 이들은 다시 트롤록을 피해 도망치기 시작합니다.
What's happening?
I don't know, she just stopped!
하지만 달리던 말들이 갑자기 겁을 먹기 시작했고
What is that? Look, the Trollocs! Why are they all just standing there?
트롤록 또한 더 이상 다가오지 못했습니다.
Come! Trollocs won't follow us inside.
불길함을 뒤로하고 결국 벽 안쪽으로 들어가 몸을 숨기기로 합니다.
There's no birds. There's no bugs. There's nothing. She's barely breathing.
We'll stay here. She needs to be kept warm.
Shadow Lagoth. Sounds like the old tongue.
It means Shadow's waiting. During the Trolloc Wars, it was the richest, most powerful city in the world. But when the world needed them most, they built their wall with no gate, locked themselves inside, and let the other nations of men burn. When the Trolloc Wars ended, survivors came here to find food, shelter. When they knocked, no one answered. When they finally broke through the wall, there was no one inside. It is said that evil itself grew from the city's heart and consumed everyone and everything that lived. Ever since, the city's been abandoned. Touch nothing. Eat only the food you brought.
그러나 대피한 고대 도시 역시 안전한 곳이 아니었습니다. 모두가 잠든 밤, 자신을 부르는 듯한 기척에 잠에서 깨어난 맷. 홀린 듯 어딘가로 향합니다. 그곳에서 의문의 상자를 발견한 맷. 그 뚜껑을 열자 의문의 단검 하나가 모습을 드러냅니다. 그 순간 정체불명의 검은 그림자가 말들을 공격하기 시작합니다.
Where are we? You've killed us all.
Let's get out of here. Let's go.
황급히 그림자를 피해 도망치던 일행은 사방으로 흩어지고 맙니다.
Hoist me up.
Why don't you hoist me up?
Come on. Ow. Hurry. Hurry. Run! Run, come on! Now! Run!
모두가 완전히 방향을 잃어버린 일촉즉발의 상황.
You ready?
모레인과 랜도 겨우 성 밖으로 빠져나옵니다.
Run! Run!
그 순간
If you don't take me to them right now, I'll slit your throat.
죽은 줄 알았던 나인이브가 나타납니다. 트롤록을 피해 필사적으로 탈출해 숲에서 렌을 마주한 것이었습니다.
Where are my friends? Are they alive?
They're not here.
What did she do to them?
You think you know this world? The Dark One is coming for your friends. Moiraine has fought his forces with everything she has.
If she cares about them so much, then why did she leave them?
She didn't. I did.
아이들을 되찾겠다는 일념 하나로 거칠게 따져 묻는 나인이브.
She can't move, let alone find them in her condition.
You think I'm gonna help her?
You will if you want to help your friends.
한편 흩어진 친구들을 찾아 헤매는 랜드와 맷.
Egwene! Hen!
But if they made it out of the city...
They made it. Who knows what's out there and can hear us? Let's find a way home. Yeah? Moiraine said the Trollocs would come back if we did.
And you believe Moiraine?
Egwene does.
And what do you want us to do? Just walk to the White Tower.
막막한 상황 속에서 의견 차이를 좁히지 못하고
Last thing we ever wanted to do was leave home.
It won't be home without them.
결국 두 사람은 갈등을 겪게 됩니다.
Those walls! I think they're following us! There!
Keep going! Come on, let's light a fire! Go keep them back!
그 시각 늑대무리에게 쫓기며 추위에 시달리던 에그웨인과 페린. 불을 피워 겨우 몸을 녹이기 시작합니다.
Do you think they're all right?
But I know where Rand will be headed. Back home.
And they won't either.
How do you know?
Because I know Rand. He'll go where he thinks you're going. You get warm, get some rest.
아내를 제 손으로 잃은 트라우마에 갇혀있던 페린.
Layla!
Karen! The wolves! They're close.
기괴한 악몽에 시달리며 정신적으로 피폐해집니다.
This way!
늑대무리를 피해 다시 도망치던 두 사람.
Why have they stopped?
We have to keep moving. Come on.
Fresh tracks. I'm carrying lots of people. Traders? Maybe white cloaks.
Wherever they are, they've headed east towards the White Tower.
We should stay well back until we know who we're following.
사람의 흔적을 발견하고 길을 걷던 중
What do you want?
Do you know the song?
They don't know it, or they'd have answered. Your welcome warms our spirit as your fires warm the flesh, but we do not know the song. Go on, say it.
Your welcome warms our spirit as your fire warms the flesh, but we do not know the song.
I'm Isla. This is Rayan. You both look awful.
다행히 생각보다 친절한 유목민 집단과 마주하며 위기를 넘깁니다.
Who are you? We're the Tuatha, the traveling people. Our fires are open to all, for as long as you need them.
And you two, you look like you need them.
한편 아이들을 찾기 위해 모레인의 상처를 치료하기로 하는 나이니브.
You don't have to stand there like that.
I've heard about the bond between an Aes Sedai and a warder. That you feel what she feels. So get ready, because this is going to hurt. Now we give it time.
What was that then?
같은 시각 어느 낯선 마을을 발견한 랜드와 맷.
Well, this seems like a friendly place. Nice way to welcome people. So you'll be on best behavior then. Come on.
Wonder why we never had one of these in Two Rivers.
잠시 후 두 사람은 선술집으로 들어섭니다.
We've only got enough for food. Has anyone else come into town today? Our age, a woman with a braid or a big man, a blacksmith.
No, the only other fresh one in town's a gleeman. Let's quiet down, he's about to do another song.
이때 익살꾼이라 불리는 남성이 나타나 노래를 부르기 시작하고
The colors of his morning.
그곳에서 관객들의 주머니를 털며 노래를 부르는 톰을 처음 만납니다.
Cause the whole world's breaking.
All right, we all gonna cry? Or do we want another round?
Donation for the Gleeman?
Too depressed for charity, I'm afraid.
But if you two think you can do better, go on then.
Anyone but him here sings ends up in a lake. That'll be 3 coppers.
We didn't order that beer for him.
It's all right. Come on. Donation for the Gleeman. And a small fee for the life lesson.
Bloody expensive lesson.
노래를 마친 남성은 랜드와 맷에게 불량한 태도를 보입니다.
Have we got enough money to pay for tonight?
I have. You got robbed. Come on.
All right, out with it then. I can tell when a lad wants something.
My friend and I find ourselves in dire financial straits and in need of a place to sleep, just for the night.
We're looking for somewhere cheap. Even if it's just a tarp, we have some money or we can work for it.
Light knows I need the help.
잘 곳이 없던 두 사람은 종업원에게 구걸에 가까운 부탁을 하게 되고
Sure 2 strong lads like you can manage?
Come on, we'll take turns. The wood, Matt. We'll alternate.
To be fair, you are the one
who said we'd do this.
and you're the reason we're in this shit town to begin with.
하지만 점점 예민하게 변해가는 맷.
What do you mean?
All this shite.
What are you on about?
Oh, come on, man. Aes Sedai, White Tower, one of us being the Dragon Reborn. It's a bloody joke. Gawain and Perrin aren't going to the White Tower. They're probably dead.
You don't believe that.
You don't need to go there for her. She wouldn't do it for you.
You are such a prick. Go on then. I'll handle this. You do whatever you want, like always.
결국 두 사람은 또다시 갈등을 겪게 됩니다.
Finished already?
Brad's a woodsman. More than capable himself.
No one cares about anything other than when the next beer's coming. So it's your choice. Serve beer or chop wood.
I'm usually the one drinking.
Then you'll know how pissed off people get waiting for one.
랜드가 대신 고된 장작패기 노동을 한 끝에
That's plenty for now. And the next year, probably.
So, it's alright if we stay out here?
I'll do you one better. Come on.
종업원으로부터 약속된 방을 얻어냅니다.
You can fill this with another paying customer.
Do you think I see any of that coin? On this, we'll give you plenty of privacy. And you can be as loud as you want, and no one will hear a thing.
These beers are on the house for you both, whatever you are.
Well, have his. He's done bugger all.
If you don't think I drink on the job, then you have sorely misjudged me.
한편 빈둥거리던 맷은 마을 입구에 걸려있는 시체로 향합니다. 바로 그때
What are you doing, boy?
Could ask the same of you. Old man.
어둠 속에서 나타난 익살꾼 톰.
Before you could lay a finger on me.
I've not survived Trollocs to die at the hands of a singer.
I'm here to bury him. Come. Help me get him down.
What'd you do?
This wasn't justice. I heard them in town bragging about killing a Nihil. Found many things outside accent interesting and tell you where a person's from. But it is rare to see that color of hair outside the Nihil waist.
Stories say they're as bad as Trollocs.
They're fighters, yes. But they're honor-bound ones. It's only when they're veiled. You should worry. Now he was no threat. Feared something they didn't understand. This is the last time I'll ask you. What are you doing here?
자신의 절박한 사정을 털어놓는 맷.
Need money. To get home.
We've all had desperate moments.
사연을 들은 톰이 슬쩍 등을 돌려 눈 감아준 사이 맷은 시체가 품고 있던 귀중품을 훔치는 데 성공합니다.
I'm sorry.
If you're gonna take from the dead, the least you can do is bury them.
그 시각 종업원과 급속도로 가까워지는 랜드.
Why'd you leave?
I needed to get away. I did too.
I'm not prying. Maybe I can help. I know all the places. I hear the miners and the travelers talk about everywhere.
Why don't you?
The wheel hasn't given me many choices. And the ones that I've made have left me here.
I'm sorry, I
No, sorry.
didn't mean to.
I came on too strong, didn't I?
No, it has nothing to do with you. It's just that I...
Was it the hair? Makes me look too much like her, doesn't it?
Like who?
하지만 그 순간
Egwene. I think it would be better if you just got back on the bed.
How do you know her name?
I said get on the bed.
갑자기 본색을 드러내며 랜드를 위협하기 시작합니다.
Waiting.
For what?
Matt, I need him too.
Rest. Warrior of the threefold land. Take care, lad. Don't let me find you hanging in a cage someday, huh?
Help!
And like I said, no one can hear a thing outside.
괴력을 발휘해 탈출에 성공한 랜드는
What? She's got my sword! Run!
맷과 함께 도망치기 시작했고
Out of the way! This way! What's going on?
At night in my dreams, all five of you. But only one of you matters. Only one of you can be it.
Five? Be what?
The dragon.
Who are you?
Doesn't matter who I am. The last time someone brought the dragon to the Dark One, we still remember his name 3,000 years on. It will be me who brings you to him this time.
You let the Dark One kill us.
He doesn't want to kill you. That's what the Aes Sedai want. The wheel keeps turning and people keep hurting. Every man who comes to this shite town has a story. The dragon has a chance to change all that. Break the wheel. Make it stop. It's already on its way. And you can't outrun a fate.
위기에 빠진 그 순간 톰이 나타나 두 사람을 구해냅니다.
She's a Darkfriend boy. Sworn body and soul to the Dark One. If what you said is true, we need to leave now.
Where are you going?
East. Are you coming?
결국 두 사람은 톰과 함께 동행하기로 결심합니다. 한편 모레인을 치료하고 길을 나서던 세 사람.
We've been heading southwest for 3 hours now. You care to tell me why?
Lorraine, we need you now.
그 순간 수상한 여성들과 마주하게 됩니다.
Moraine Sedai, Liandrin Sedai.
그들은 다름 아닌 또 다른 세다이 자매들이었습니다.
Didn't you hear? We captured a man calling himself the Dragon Reborn.
이때 드래건의 환생을 잡았다는 소식을 듣게 됩니다. 본인 스스로를 드래건의 환생이라 칭하는 남자.
His army's everywhere! My king! You need to get your away from him!
그 남자는 바로 게일던을 침략한 로게인이었습니다. 놀랍게도 이런 역을 사용할 수 있는 로게인.
You will never wear the silver crown. What does a crown mean to the Dragon Reborn?
You really believe it, don't you?
Be done with it, Loghain.
The Aes Sedai will come for you. Those women, they should be following me, not fighting me. But they're afraid the dragon will break the world again.
You don't need to convince this man of anything. He'll betray you.
None of them understand who you are.
한편 완치되지 않았던 모레인의 상처는 다른 세다이 자매의 치료로 깨끗이 치유됩니다.
You've held back armies. Healing one wound shouldn't have strained you.
It hasn't. He has. Only Liandrin, Alana, and I are strong enough to shield him from using the One Power.
I heard he conquered half of Gaelden and had the king himself at his back. How did you get to him?
We crept into his camp and shielded him as he slept. A little lightning, and his army all ran home to their mothers.
I've set wards. They'll let us know if anyone approaches.
And the madness? How far gone is he?
He's the same as any man who can channel. Worse, even.
I've regained enough strength. Let me share the burden. That's Moraine for you.
숨을 돌린 모레인은 세다이 자매들과 함께 힘을 모으기로 합니다.
You feel it now? That's half his power.
그 시각 외딴 시골 마을로 도망친 랜드 일행.
We'll wait until dark and sneak into the barn.
Wouldn't it be easier to just ask?
Man could get suspicious of strangers in his woods.
We're just passing through.
Most people stay on their horse for that.
We'll get back on them. Keep riding if you let us.
So you can double back at night?
I'm sorry. We haven't been honest with you. We were going to rest in your barn, just for the night. And if I wanted to kill you, I'd have kept my mouth shut just now.
이들은 한 가족을 만나 하룻밤을 의탁하게 됩니다.
What do you say, love?
Plenty of space in the barn. Once the stables are mucked out.
Is he just gonna stand there and let us do all the work?
밤이 깊어지자 상태가 이상해 보이는 맷.
All right.
I'm sorry. Mama sent me. Said to thank you and give you this for all your hard work.
No, I'm sorry. What's your name?
I can't tell you.
Why not?
Mama says you're strange and told me to give you her message and come right back.
My sisters never listen either.
Where are they?
Safe. At home.
You can take Brigitte back for them. She protects me when everyone's asleep. Brigitte's always wanted to see the world.
Maybe he caught something in Breenspring.
I knew another lad the same way. Owen. My nephew.
톰은 맷의 행동이 과거 자신의 조카와 비슷하다고 말합니다.
Snapping at family and friends. Jumping at shadows. Nobody could figure out what happened. Until he threw a rock. Without using his hands. Matt's got all the signs, lad.
맷이 이런 역을 가졌다고 생각하는 톰.
How at the end of the last age, The Dark One corrupted the One Power, so men couldn't use it without going mad. And still he lied to me. The Aes Sedai found him while I was away.
능력이 발현되는 중일지도 모른다며 랜드에게 경고하죠.
If they cut off from it, it's no life anymore. It just... A few weeks after those women left, and then he picked up a steak knife and slit his own throat like it was nothing at all.
결국 스스로 목숨을 끊었던 과거를 밝힙니다.
Keep you safe. But whatever we do, we have to keep Matt away from those women.
You know a lot for a simple gleeman.
Nothing is more dangerous than a man who knows the past.
No matter what happens, I'm here.
대화가 끝나기 무섭게 랜드는 악몽을 꾸기 시작합니다.
It's all right. I got you.
Where's Matt?
맷이 보이지 않자 불길한 마음에 달려가는 두 사람.
Grab him. Let's get out of here now.
I see you.
톰은 랜드와 맷을 살리기 위해 창백한 자의 앞을 가로막습니다. 톰이 목숨을 걸고 주의를 분산시키는 사이 다시 한번 어둠 속으로 탈출하는 랜드와 맷.
When I chose green, I thought it was so heroic. Warriors strained to defend humanity from the Dark One at the last battle.
한편 모레인과 세다이의 자매들은 교대로 로게인을 감시합니다.
His strength is more than anything I've ever seen. It's just another sign. The end of this age is here. I'm glad we'll have your strength on our side. I know the last one broke this world and we can't let that happen again.
그 시각 나이니브에게 관심을 보이는 리안드린.
It's Nineveh, isn't it? Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. I can't quite place the accent.
I'm imagining you came over here because you want something. You Aes Sedai always do. So I think I'll ask the questions first. How long have you known Moiraine?
And she chose the blue Aja.
The Reds are any different. We protect the world from people who would misuse the One Power.
Mind if I join you?
I was just leaving. The red tent is open to all women. Feel free to join us for dinner.
Is White Tower full of women like her?
You'll find out soon enough. The Aes Sedai will get Logain to the tower as fast as they can, if your friends aren't there already. There will be resources we can use to find them. We promised we would.
약속을 지키려는 렌이 다르게 보이기 시작합니다.
You are welcome around our fire, if you promise not to shove anyone into it.
그날 밤 수호자들과 함께 시간을 보내는 나이니브.
How'd you get stuck with him? Tell me.
Moiraine and I were traveling past her village.
I tracked him.
I like her.
You warders are more fun than you look.
Don't encourage you.
But you serve them.
No bond is closer than an Aes Sedai and her warder, not husbands and wives.
What does that make you?
Proud.
Especially Lan. How he keeps up with Moiraine.
그녀는 모레인을 헌신적으로 돌보는 렌의 모습에
Feeling a bit tired myself.
감명을 받아 호감을 갖게 됩니다.
He is 10 years too old, at least. Is he as strong as Egwene?
I don't know.
Dark One isn't after Logain.
Perhaps he is. We lost them. 20 years we hunted. And we lost them.
I lost them.
Your losses are mine.
You always get emotional when I drink.
한편 유목민의 마차를 얻어타 타발론으로 향하는 에그웨인과 페린.
A group this size should be able to defend itself.
Have you seen any weapons here?
여정 동안 깊은 대화를 나누며
The Tuatha and follow the way of the leaf. Have for thousands of years. We forswear violence and all instruments of it.
What happens if you're attacked?
We run if we can. Endure if we cannot.
그들이 따르는 철학을 배우게 됩니다.
Nothing is ever lost. The wheel returns all. You honor us. You find peace in the work. That's the honor.
Some of your people don't look so peaceful.
Sarai was a hired killer. Those who renounce violence usually know it's evil only too well.
Some things you can't run away from.
바람에 휘날리는 나뭇잎처럼 어떤 상황에서도
There's only one way to end violence. Everybody, everywhere has to stop.
절대 폭력을 사용하지 않겠다는 평화주의 맹세였습니다.
You really think that's possible?
If I can change two people's minds, just two, well then I've left the world a better place than I found. I don't do it for myself.
Well then for who?
I had a daughter. One day she went out foraging and bandits stumbled on her.
본의 아니게 아내를 죽인 후 극심한 트라우마에 시달리던 페린.
When I found her, I could tell that they killed her for sport. Hunt down the beasts as they hunted her. Because I wanted revenge.
That doesn't sound like the way of the leaf.
What greater revenge against violence than peace? What greater revenge against death than life? I couldn't protect my girl in this turn of the wheel, but one day the wheel will turn out my daughter's soul again.
깊은 공감을 느끼며 마음의 위안을 얻습니다.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to intrude. You pray often.
When I need to.
Efel Loviages Avila de Verambasa.
I didn't know you knew the old town.
It's the last thing my parents ever said to me when they hid me in the cellar during an attack on our village. I don't even know what the words mean.
It's what the last king of Manetheren said to his wife. We shall go into the land, so our children can always hold us.
You're not exactly what I thought you were.
한편 로게인을 감시하던 자매 캐리니가 수상함을 감지합니다.
What is it? My wards. Looks like his army didn't run home to their mothers after all.
Logan's army. They're here.
How many of them are there?
Don't worry, I'll save some for you.
로게인의 군대가 세다이들의 기지를 기습하기 시작합니다.
No army can get past 7 full sisters.
집중이 흐트러진 틈을 타 강력한 이론력을 내뿜는 로게인.
Logain, we need to get to the cave.
To the surface!
Let's go!
그렇게 외부에서는 최악의 난전이 벌어집니다. 쇠창살을 끊어낸 로게인의 앞에 나타난 모레인.
The others will be here soon, so we don't have much time to talk. Why should I believe you're the Dragon Reborn?
I can hear them when I channel. Whispers of 1,000 dragons that preceded me, 1,000 lives. I've led, and they're teaching me how to do better this time. Isn't that why the wheel turns our spirits out again and again?
The wheel doesn't want anything, any more than a river or the rain can want something. It's people who want.
What do you want?
Those are the whispers of madness. It's a pinprick of candlelight against the raging sun that will be the Dragon Reborn.
바로 그때 세다이 자매들의 반격이 시작됩니다. 로게인의 치명타로부터 모레인과 리안드린을 보호하기 위해 온몸으로 방어막을 치던 캐린이 결국 그 자리에서 장렬히 전사하고 맙니다.
Go! Get to Logain! We hold the army!
Leandrin, you're drawing too much. You'll burn out. He killed our sister, and I got him down.
그리고 그때 자매들의 수호자들이 달려옵니다. 순식간에 사방으로 칼날이 날아다니는 아수라장이 되고 로게인이 날린 칼날에 목이 베이는 치명적인 부상을 입은 렌. 렌이 죽어가는 모습을 본 나인이브는 극도의 분노와 슬픔에 휩싸입니다. 그 순간 나인이브의 깊은 곳에 잠들어 있던 상상을 초월하는 이론력이 폭발합니다. 압도적인 신성한 빛에 로게인이 넋을 잃은 사이
Like a radiant sun.
Live with me! No! Let the hand of the tower fall on you, Logain Abla, and take back that which nature itself does not wish you to hold!
세다이들이 남은 힘을 모아 강력한 마법으로 로게인을 짓누릅니다. 결국 로게인은 완벽하게 제압당합니다. 그리고 순식간에 모두의 상처를 치유해버린 나인이브. 참혹했던 전투가 끝난 후 살아남은 이들은 전사한 시신들을 정중히 매장합니다.
May the last embrace of the mother welcome you.
이후 무력화된 로게인을 압송하며 타발론의 화이트타워로 향합니다.
Is she ready for what's waiting in the White City?
You think she talks to me?
She eats every night at the Warder's fire.
She's worried about Steppin. Warders are not supposed to outlive their Aes Sedai.
Steppin's a strong man. He'll deliver her ring to the tower.
한편 톰의 희생으로 창백한 자의 추격을 떨쳐냈던 랜드와 맷. 하지만 시간이 지날수록 맷의 상태는 악화되어 갑니다.
Mate, you're right. You stop looking at me like you're my bloody wet nurse. Just tired. A month without a warm bed will do that.
That mountain. What? I think I've seen it before.
Tarvalon.
우여곡절 끝에 마침내 타발론에 입성하는 두 사람.
Should be down there. Tom told me about this place. The innkeeper was an old friend of his.
Thought we were going to the White Tower.
Yeah, we will. But first we need to rest and clean up. I can't believe the night here is more expensive than a month in the ones we're in.
잠시 후 두 사람은 여관에서 휴식을 취합니다.
Tell me again. A little girl. On the farm.
It wasn't you, Matt. It wasn't you. Tom and I both saw it.
Tom's not here. Tom's dead.
It was the Fade. You know you didn't kill that family. You would never hurt that little girl.
그 시각 화이트타워에 도착한 모레인 일행.
This is the warder's quarters.
This is the safest place in the tower to stay away from the sisters we traveled with. When the Amelin seat arrives...
I don't care about the Amelin seat or your tower politics. I told you. I care about my people. And you said they'd be here, so where are they?
If they've arrived, I'll know.
Maybe I'll have a look around town myself.
Do not underestimate the women in this tower.
모레인은 그녀의 엄청난 잠재력을 인정하면서도
As powerful as you are, these women have spent decades honing their strengths, masking their weaknesses. And if you're not careful, those tower politics will eat you alive.
정치적 싸움에 대해 진심 어린 경고를 건넵니다.
If I'm as powerful as you say I am, maybe it's you, Aes Sedai, who shouldn't underestimate me.
You reached out and you touched the source. Can you ever go back to being who you were? And the answer is no. But it's time that you saw that for the gift it is. And I will try and protect you as best I can. And when I found your friends, I will bring you to them.
한편 투하 사한족과 평화롭게 이동하던 에그웨인과 페린.
Did you see? The White Tower. We made it.
You think they're there already?
I do.
Why are we stopping?
하지만 이때
The false dragon. Don't know anything about him, but we've been in the grass for months now.
하얀 망토 무리가 이들의 앞을 가로막습니다.
Those two. Bring them to me.
You can't just take our people.
They're not your people.
They've eaten our food and shared our fire.
If they don't wish to go with you, You can't have them.
That's a strange word to be coming out of a tinker's mouth. How exactly do you plan on stopping me? The way of the leaf against the way of the light.
결국 투하사한족을 공격하기 시작하는 에이먼 말다. 에그웨인과 페린은 아람의 기지 덕분에 필사적으로 도망쳐보지만
We can't just leave them!
White cloaks may be bastards, but they won't kill Tuatha Ann. Come on, hurry. There's a village nearby who've always been good to us.
하지만 얼마 못 가 하얀 망토에게 포위당하고 맙니다.
I didn't even hear you come in.
Stay back!
Oh dear, you humans are very excitable. My first day in Tarvalon, I could not believe the uproar.
그 시각 오기어족의 로이알과 마주하게 되는 랜드.
I tell you, it was not for this I left the steading.
You're an ogre.
Ogier. Loyal, son of Arendt, son of Halan. And who are you?
Rand al'Thor.
Your name sings in my ears, Rand al'Thor. It is quite exciting to meet an Aielman. I've read much of your people.
I'm not an Aielman.
Red hair is one of the few physical traits that can help you work out where a human is from.
I'm from the Two Rivers.
An Aielman from the Two Rivers?
I'm not an Aielman.
An Aielman from the Two Rivers who insists that he is not an Aielman. That is very odd.
고대의 지식을 간직한 로이알은 랜드가 아일족이라 추측하며 흥미를 보입니다.
What's going on?
The Aes Sedai are returning from battle with the false dragon.
Sorry, I've got to go.
To the procession, I'll come with you. Just give me a moment to gather my things.
I'll see you out there.
로게인의 호송을 지켜보는 랜드와 맷.
I'm bringing in the false dragon. You say he was a man who could channel. They drove him mad.
아이즈 세다의 행렬이 로게인을 철창에 가둔 채 타발론 시내로 들어옵니다. 광장에 모인 수많은 군중이 가짜 드래건을 보기 위해 몰려들고 로게인은 자신을 내려다보는 맷을 향해 시선을 던집니다. 광기 연인 폭소를 터뜨리는 로게인.
Let's make a deal. Alright, if it turns out it's one of us that you or me can channel, we won't let each other become like that. Aes Sedai, dragons, whatever. I won't be like that.
You won't.
You don't know that.
I promise.
그렇게 두 사람은 서로를 위해 약속합니다.
That's better. All covered up.
한편 하얀 망토에게 붙잡힌 에그웨인과 페린.
If you care for her, boy, don't fight.
Sir, please.
Call me Child Valder.
Child Valder. We are not who you think.
You're not who I thought you were. And Aes Sedai would have tried to channel already. You know, one of those witches once told me that you don't actually need your hands to channel.
발다는 에그웨인이 이런 역을 쓸 수 있다고 확신합니다.
I can't channel.
There. We've proved it then. Because Aes Sedai certainly cannot lie. And that this boy, Perrin, is not your warder.
I'm just a girl from a mountain village who should have never left.
But you can touch the One Power. I know you can. So stop me from killing you.
I can't channel. You said yourself you're sworn to the light. And a man of the light cannot kill a girl who's done nothing wrong.
And what makes you think that I'm a man who stays true to his oaths?
그는 에그웨인이 스스로 이런 역을 사용하게 만들기 위해
You would have made a strong Aes Sedai. A wonderful ring to add to my collection.
No! No!
그녀가 보는 앞에서 페린을 고문하기 시작합니다.
You witches make a mockery of our very existence. The idea that the One Power comes from anywhere other than the dark is absurd. Channel for me, girl. And I'll kill you and let the boy go. Don't channel. And I'll kill the boy and let you go. I'll leave you two to discuss.
힘을 쓰지 않으면 페린을 고문해 죽이겠다는 잔인한 협박이었죠. 한편 맷의 곁을 지키던 랜드.
Rand al'Thor, did you know that Ogier have access to the White Tower grounds.
No, but why?
I went there and found the woman you spoke of. The braid is a distinct rite of passage in between.
We thought you were dead.
로이알의 도움으로 나이니브와 제외하는 두 사람.
What happened to him?
Leave.
Who else can I be?
You're alive.
So are you. Show me your tongue.
Don't touch me!
정신적으로 완전히 피폐해져가는 맷.
I'm sorry.
Sleep, man. You need to rest.
I think he can channel. I know Moraine said we should come to her at the White Tower. I don't know if we can trust her. We saw what the Aes Sedai did to the False Dragon.
We don't need the Aes Sedai. We're Two Rivers folk. And when Egwene and Perrin arrive, we'll sort out the rest. Together.
I haven't seen her in a month now.
She's alive.
그 시각 페린을 살리기 위해 애쓰는 에그웨인.
Gwen, stop. If it has to be one of us, it should be me.
This is what I deserve.
Layla, I killed her.
No. No, Layla's death was not your fault.
Yes, it was.
하지만 페린은 여전히 아내를 죽인 죄책감에 시달리고 있었습니다.
Then I heard another from behind me, and I swung with all my strength. But it was her. My own hands. My own axe. Have we reached a decision? Eventually, the boy will bleed out.
It was an accident, Perrin. Not your fault.
발단은 페린을 다시 고문하기 시작하고
No! Egwene, no! Drift. There you are.
에그웨인이 페린을 살리기 위해 이론력을 사용하는 순간
Especially with the flame so smooth. Yeah, protect me.
페린의 눈동자가 변하고 괴력을 발휘합니다.
Let's go.
갑자기 하얀 망토의 진영을 무차별적으로 습격하는 늑대무리.
You won't hurt us.
How do you know?
이 혼란을 틈타 탈출에 성공합니다. 같은 시각 스테피는 캐리니를 잃은 상실감에 시달립니다.
Enough of this. I'll stay with you till morning.
Do you think Stepin will accept your offer?
When a warrior loses his Aes Sedai, the pain is so deep. It's almost like he's swallowed her death.
I read once there's a way to release the bond.
모레인과 얼레나 역시 스테핀의 상태를 염려하며 대화를 나눕니다.
There now, sister. Don't do that. You'll be here with us a long time yet.
이 과정에서 얼레나는 모레인에게 에멀린의 귀환과
I got word that the Amelins returning from Camelin, she summoned us to the hall to answer for Logain. She's out for blood, looking for someone to blame. Moraine, this place isn't what it was when you left. You're one of the only sisters strong enough to challenge her. Leandrin's strength is growing. More and more sisters are listening to her, and not just the Reds. For someone who's rarely in the tower, you have two very powerful enemies here. Be careful, my friend.
리안드린의 정치적 의도를 경고합니다.
Good night, Moraine.
그 시각 렌은 술을 마시며 스테핀과 시간을 보냅니다.
Tell me about the wisdom. Because you've never been a talker, but I have eyes. She touched the one power for the first time to save your life.
And barely spoken to me since.
She's stubborn. Knows her own mind. Knows she's falling for you.
That's a bad idea for her.
Love's usually a bad idea. Still, we allow it to happen.
다음 날 아침 스테핀이 보이지 않자 불안한 마음에 찾아 나서는 렌. 하지만 결국 스테핀이 스스로 목숨을 끊은 참담한 현장을 발견합니다.
Alan Mondragon. Lay your hand on him.
렌은 깊은 슬픔에 짓눌린 채 스테핀의 장례를 치릅니다. 가슴을 쥐어뜯는 처절한 오열로 동료의 넋을 기립니다.
The Watcher of the Seals, the Flame of Tar Valon, the Amelin Seat.
얼마 후 에멀린 권좌 소환 산체가 화이트타워로 복귀합니다.
Bring the false dragon.
이어서 로게인의 심판이 시작됩니다.
Do you know why you're here?
Do you know what they say about you? Aes Sedai, the further you get from this tower, that you are weak. They will remember that one man fought against 9, and that I still staked that green bitch to the wall.
Until you lose yourself entirely to the madness. You will live out your days, watched and studied. This is my judgment.
Please kill me. I beg you. No, kill me. Please.
That man deserved a fair trial before me, not battlefield justice.
He was the most powerful man I've ever seen.
Have you forgotten your training? Shield first, gentle second, kill, last of all.
독단적으로 로게인의 힘을 빼앗아 무력화시킨 행위를 질책하는 에멀린.
Forgive me, Mother.
I beg the Amerlin's clemency. Kirene died to protect us because she knew that the false dragon was too strong. Leandrin made the right choice.
If we hadn't tamed him, Mother, all of our sisters would have been killed, not just Kirene.
Leandrin, when Kirene fell, you were in command. The fault lies with you, as will the punishment. I will think on your penance.
이때 모레인을 자극하는 리안드린.
She was traveling with the most powerful channeler we've seen in 1,000 years, more powerful even than you, Mother. And yet Moraine said nothing of the girl's skills. We knew nothing.
I was unaware she could channel.
Sorry, what did you say?
I was unaware that she could channel.
Is there a point, Leandrin?
But Trollocs invaded from the west, and Loghain's army swelled from the south without even a warning from Moraine.
Moraine Sedai.
에멀린은 여행의 목적에 대해 질문을 던지지만
What is the purpose of your travels?
Forgive me, Mother, I cannot say.
Cannot? Or will not, on your knees? I will ask you one more time.
I cannot say.
You dare to challenge me?
모레인은 드래건 후보들을 지키기 위해 말을 아끼며 긴장감을 유지합니다.
This is my tower, my city. From Tyr to the two rivers and every town between. Remember that well while you are here. Remember that well when your forehead and your lips touch this marble and you beg your mother for mercy. I will think on your penance and deliver judgment tomorrow.
심문이 끝난 후 모레인은 랜드와 맷이 타발론에 있다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
How bad is he?
Worse than expected.
여관에 있던 랜드와 맷을 찾아가는 모레인.
This is the room.
Yes, Aes Sedai, but...
Go downstairs. Do not come up, no matter what you hear.
Nynaeve, you're back already, did you? You're alive. Gawain, Perrin, are they here?
I have watchers. I'll know when they arrive. How long has he been like this?
It's nothing. It's just a fever.
I know what you're doing here.
Don't be
I'm
stupid.
not going to let you hurt him!
Put that down.
모레인은 맷의 상태를 확인하지만 이미 맷의 영혼은 갉아먹힌 상태였습니다.
What's happening to him?
Oh, you stupid boy. You took this from Shadow Lagoth. Hold him down! Both of you!
그녀는 이런 역을 자아내어 흘러나오는 검은 저주의 기운을 억누르고 맷이 훔쳤던 오염된 단검을 강제로 분리해냅니다. 저주가 거치자 간신히 목숨을 건진 맷.
Thank you.
For what?
I saw the darkness moving over you. You took on that evil.
I would do it for any of you.
You could just say you're welcome. So if Matt can't channel, then he's not there.
I don't know. He's stronger than he has any right to be. If you weren't, that dagger would have consumed him weeks ago. You have to be careful. I've healed him of his connection to the dagger, but it was feeding off the darkness in him as much as he was of it.
Builder, how did you find them?
A better question might be, why didn't you find me as soon as you saw the darkness in Matt? Your pride would have killed your friend. If wisdom is the title you claim, I suggest you start using some. How long do you think they've been here?
Only a day, maybe two. I sent a message as soon as I saw them.
동시에 모레인은 에그웨인과 페린까지 무사히 찾아냅니다.
Rand and Matt, are they
I
here?
have people watching for their arrival, but I have it on good authority that they're alive. My yellow sister said you were taken by white cloaks.
I took something from them.
자매들의 반지를 건네주는 에그웨인.
Valda won't hurt any more of your sisters.
There are no greater healers on Earth than the Aes Sedai of the Yellow Ajah. It will be like the damage never happened.
I'm worried about him. His eyes. When Valda was torturing him, they went golden.
에그웨인은 페린의 변화를 모레인에게 설명합니다.
Wolves attacked the White Cloaks while we were there, but he wasn't afraid of them. They listened to
Tell
him.
no one. There are many in the city, Aes Sedai included, who would do him harm if they knew.
한편 화이트 타워 내부는 모레인을 옥죄어 오고 있었습니다.
I wish you'd take meetings in the tower like the rest of us.
I've been on the road for years, Megan. Don't begrudge me this.
Swan's losing her grip.
On sanity or power.
A Green spoke on behalf of a Red today, and so did you. Old alliances are shifting, and we must present a united front. I'll intervene with Swan on your behalf. Make her see reason. We need you here in the tower permanently.
For what reason?
You've travelled long enough. Time to settle down, Moiraine.
더 이상 떠돌지 말고 타워에 정착하라는 마이건.
And Matt?
Recovered enough to be drowning himself in morning ale.
Matt Cawthon? Is that his name, yes? Strange how he and his companion, is it Rand, are also from the Two Rivers. Or friends of Nynaeve, perhaps. I'm sure the Amelin would love to understand that connection.
I know about the man you meet in North Harbor. Walk away. Never mention this again, or I will tell your Red Sisters where he lives.
리안드린 역시 모레인의 약점을 잡기 위해 주의를 맴돕니다.
You honor me. I am Moiraine Sedai.
Loyal, son of Arendt, son of Halan.
Thank you for coming.
I will say I was surprised to receive it, and the haste at which I was encouraged to respond.
잠시 후 로이알에게 부탁을 건네는 모레인.
But the wheel has presented us with a crisis, but I'll need your help.
그날 밤 충격적인 진실이 드러납니다.
What were you thinking? I'm on a knife's edge here, and that display you forced me to put on has made everything we're trying to do much harder. Don't smile. No life. No love of one's own. Nothing but the seat.
When have we ever followed the rules?
에멀린 권좌 스완 산체와 모레인은 사랑하는 연인 관계였습니다.
What's wrong?
I found the dragon.
The girl from the Two Rivers?
Perhaps. I found 5 potential dragons in the same village.
5?
But only 4 the right age. And Nynaeve's too old. But how can we discount her power? Every town has a different legend about where the dragon will be reborn, how they will appear to us.
Our prophecies are clear.
They're 3,000-year-old prophecies.
Why would the wheel split the dragon's soul into many?
What if Katara's vision was wrong?
You were there when she had the vision of the baby being born. We were the only ones
We've
there.
been searching for the dragon reborn for 20 years. I know less now than I did then.
They must never suspect we're working together. If another sister finds out what we're doing, we'll be still.
지난 20년간 드래곤을 찾기 위해 두 사람이 계획한 일이었음이 밝혀집니다.
You little pufferfish. If it's 1 dragon or 5, man or woman, the heart of every prophecy is the same. The dragon will either defeat the Dark One or join him.
I'll kill them myself before I let him hunt them.
The Dark One. At the eye of the world, he's weak. Barely clinging to his power, but getting stronger every day. We can destroy him. If we go now, we have the advantage. We know where he is.
We don't know which one of them is the dragon.
Take them all.
We'd be sentencing the other 4 to certain death. Whoever comes between the dragon and the Dark One will die.
드래곤을 전설의 장소로 인도할 작전을 구상합니다.
Tomorrow when you sentence me, it must be exile.
Why?
Maigen's ordered me to stay in the tower.
I thought we'd have more time.
Welcome to the hall of the tower. But first there's someone else who wants to see you.
다음 날 마침내 에그웨인과 나인이브를 만나게 해주는 모레인.
Nynaeve. Egwene.
I thought you were dead. So did the Trolloc that took me. There's a lot to catch up on, I know. Swan Sanche waits for only one woman. And it's not you.
모레인은 두 사람을 데리고 에멀린 권자를 아련하러 갑니다.
Welcome to the White Tower. I'm the Ammonin Seat. But today, you can call me Swan. I've been told you're the most powerful channeler we've seen in 1,000 years, Nynaeve Almira. Egwene Alvir brought the great serpent rings of my fallen daughters home.
Now that you've blown smoke up our ass, why don't you tell us what you want?
The two of you have been called to greatness. The fate of all of us rests on you now.
Don't talk to me like you know me. We want no part of this.
아이즈 세다이를 불신하는 나인이브는 의심 가득한 눈초리를 거두지 않습니다.
The wheel calls you to this. What any of us want now is...
So what do we need to do?
곧이어 모두가 지켜보는 가운데 모레인의 판결이 내려집니다.
I have made my judgment. For your disobedience and intractability, you are exiled from this tower.
이는 반대파들의 감시를 피하고
You will swear fealty to the judgment of this seat on the sacred oath rod. Before your sisters in this sacred hall, the one power renders it unbreakable and eternally binding.
그녀가 청년들을 데리고 자유롭게 움직일 수 있도록 에멀린이 꾸며낸 가짜 징벌이었습니다.
Moraine Sedai, swear to obey the judgment of the Ammonin Seat and never return till she calls me home.
I, Moraine Sedai, do swear to honor and obey Swan Sanche and never return until she calls me home.
모레인은 눈물을 흘리며 추방령을 받아들입니다.
It is done. And leave this tower.
공식적으로 탑에서 쫓겨난 모레인은 도시 외곽의 지역으로 향합니다.
Moraine Sedai.
Builder, thank you for honoring your promise.
이로써 흩어졌던 4명의 청년과 나인이브가 마침내 한자리에 모두 모이게 됩니다.
You look like shit.
Feels good to see you.
I told you I'd find you.
There will be time for every story as we travel.
What are you doing?
They would not survive the ways.
그곳에는 고대의 신비로운 통로, 웨이게이트가 자리 잡고 있었습니다.
Ancient pathways, out of time and space. One step in the ways could be 100 miles in our world.
It's the fastest road to the Eye of the World, where he was trapped by the last dragon at the cost of almost everything. And now one of you will finish the job you started in your previous life.
But you don't know who the dragon is.
모레인은 세계의 눈으로 가야만 하며
If we do not stop the Dark One now while he is still weak, the whole world will turn to darkness. What they did to your village is nothing compared to what they will do. And when a new age comes, it will be built upon the ashes of the places and people we love.
And what about whoever's not the dragon? What happens to them?
그곳에서 어둠과 맞서 싸우는 순간 진짜 드래건의 정체가 밝혀질 것이라 선언합니다.
We cannot know for certain until that moment comes.
모레인이 웨이게이트에 거대한 성문을 열고
Is it too late to change my mind?
Whatever happens now is beyond our control.
차례로 어두운 통로 속으로 발을 내딛기 시작합니다.
Light the torches.
하지만 그 순간
Wait, Matt!
Matt!
What are you doing? Come on, Matt!
The gate's closing!
친구들이 맷의 이름을 부르짖지만
Matt! Matt! Matt!